Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you guys are. Welcome back. We are probably at the Dyno. That's what we're doing. Gold car is getting tuned. So Sam's car's been off the road for, I think, about a year now, actually. So turboing it, just for the things that it takes, and obviously, you know, the funds to get things sorted. So we're heading there to Benny at M1 Tuning, and we're going to see what the rig makes. It's got a link ECU and all that in it, so she should hopefully boogie. Hopefully no issues. So we'll get there and we'll suss it out and do it. So we're here at our favourite spot, M1. Just appropriately, we've got this, beige. It's clearly a bit of a rough job, but it's still hot. It's beige.
Hey Dad.
I've told everyone we're like, yeah boy, we're dynoing, and here you are with the bonnet open and fixing stuff.
Shush, I don't want to hear about it. It's hot. Oh.
So, what did you do? Inlet gasket.
Inlet gasket went kaput. Said hello.
Inlet gasket blew out on how many PSI?
10.
Well, that's not good, is it?
No, it was a stock one from Ford.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a fair point.
Oh.
I
So
thought I changed it. I'd changed my other one.
you have now. He has changed it now. So I totally forgot. But he got these juicy. Oh yes.
Hot girl thing.
Oh. The back's looking a bit pop spec, but that's fine. But this car, I was just telling everyone, it's been about a year since this was last on the road.
About 11 months, I think. 10 months.
So almost a year. So this car has been off the road, not driven anywhere for a long time. But till to today. Oh,
She looks pretty. I smell food.
Eating food? No.
Oh, actually, you know what's funny? I haven't eaten since, not yesterday, lunch the day before.
Okay, we should see what happens when you build a turbo Falcon. You don't eat, something goes wrong. Turbo Falcon life is actually quite a testament to your mental health. That's for sure. He's exhausted. I don't know what run this is, but it's Benny's doing his magic. So, just chat to Benny, it's got a little bit of compressor surge, which is entailed bad, but I know he's going to work around it. But he's like, I'm going to change the turbo. But I know he'll work around it. There might be something we need to keep an eye on. Hopefully it's good through the full power run. So right now it's just setting the base stuff, and a little bit of it can be an issue, but I'm hoping he can work around it. I reckon he can. I had a turbo on one of my RB2530s, and it did do that as well, like mid-drift. You just drive around it, you know? You drive around the problem. I don't know. Alright, so mid-run there we've dropped some more pressure. Either the safety's a bit too low, but however it has got, so far, I don't know if you can see it, 375 at the moment 16 pound. It didn't even fully rev out. So this is a completely dead stick stock motor, just valve springs. So that's kind of interesting. Extra horsepower, but stock in tech is going. I think that was a clutch slip. Yes, I think the clutch is gone. No more thanks, too much torque. It is a T5 in it, and honestly, I'm surprised that it hasn't exploded. Sam is surprised it hasn't exploded. That's a bit annoying. Alright, so result is, it's not obviously fully tuned, so the clutch is like, it's not holding anything. So it's basically got 276.8 at the moment. Tune's not finished, but the torque, it has got 1600 foot-pounds of torque with 2 degrees of timing. So it's pretty insane, the torque figures, hence why the clutch went. Basically, we're going to throw another clutch in and then basically put on the dyno and then probably blow the gearbox up and then take it back off and then give it another few months and then put the T56 in and do all that and then finish the tune. So probably, realistically, from now, we won't be talking about this car probably till the end of the year because it's going to implode on itself. However, that's pretty solid figures for a dead standard motor, just with valve springs and retainers. The turbo sizing is weird, so he's going to do different turbs most likely, but we're going to do a test drive once we put the new clutch in to see how that surge goes. So for now, what was it, 14 pounds of boost and 376 horsepower like that on a stock motor, so that is really impressive. And link ECU is, that car sounds that much better than my car. It's kind of upsetting, but it keeps me motivated to get the other one sorted. So let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Bit of spoily boy. Gold car, he's coming back. It's been a while, but money don't grow on trees. So it's getting done and we're getting it ready. So next thing is T56 and stuff like that. So Sam will be pretty much broke for the next 2 years of his life. Having a car to drift. So it's kind of one reason why I love our NA vehicles, because they don't have these problems. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Catch the next one. Any tuning stuff you guys need, be sure to hit up M1 Tuning on the Gold Coast. Best bloke out. Thanks guys.